How to change the commentary team in FC24. So the first thing you want to do on the main settings here is come up to the top left hand corner and come to the customization section. Once we're in the customization section, you'll see the main settings here, so we want to tab into that. Then once we're in the main settings, you want game settings. Now here within game settings you can use the left and right bumper to go to different elements that you can change within FC24. In this case we want the audio section. Now you can come down to commentary language, you can change that if you wish, and then you can come down and select the commentary team. Now here you can have randomize and it'll just select anyone, or you can select Derek Ray and Stuart Robinson, or you can prioritise Guy Mowbray and Sue Smith. However, this isn't available everywhere, so that's why it says where available. So that's how to change your commentary team.